In this video, we will see how to create a card view in .NET MAUI using border control. Border control has multiple properties like stroke, stroke thickness, stroke dash offset, stroke dash array, stroke line cap, stroke miter limit, and each has different usage. Stroke sets the color that the border will take on. Stroke thickness sets the thickness, width, of the border. Stroke a dash offset it's the distance within the dash pattern. Stroke a dash array collection of values, which is responsible for specifying the dash pattern and the spaces used for the border to implement. Stroke line cap defines the start and end stroke that the border will have. For the stroke shape, it receives the following values: flat, round, and square. Stroke miter limit on the ration of the miter length to half of the stroke thickness. Border has shadow property to elevate the border like card view. Also, we can specify the corner radius of all the four corners of the border individually. From this example you can find this ultimate use.